While many growth stocks trade at astronomical valuations, a select few, true powerhouses, are currently sitting at compelling discounts. I'm talking about the kind of overlooked opportunities that the world's most sophisticated investors, the hedge funds, are quietly accumulating. In this video, I'm going to share 5 most undervalued tech stocks that top hedge funds are aggressively buying right now. First on our list is Accenture plc, ticker ACN, an Ireland-based global professional services company renowned for its strategy, consulting, technology, and operations expertise. Incorporated in 1951, Accenture is strategically transforming from a traditional consulting firm into an AI-powered reinvention partner for enterprises worldwide. This shift is clearly paying off, with the company demonstrating robust financial performance in Q1 FY 2026, where revenues hit $18.7 billion, achieving 5% growth in local currency and reaching the top end of guidance despite a challenging economic backdrop. The real story here is Accenture's aggressive push into advanced AI. Its advanced AI segment generated an astounding $1.1 billion in revenue in Q1, marking a 120% year-over-year surge, with bookings reaching $2.2 billion, a 76% increase. This momentum is further bolstered by strategic acquisitions like UK-based Faculty, which added 400 AI professionals, and partnerships with OpenAI, solidifying Accenture's leadership in enterprise AI adoption. Analysts are highly optimistic, with UBS lifting its price target to $320 and RBC Capital to $295, both maintaining buy or outperform ratings, citing the company's strong AI position and the anticipated doubling of the data center professional services market by 2030. The median target price of $300 implies an attractive 11.12% upside potential. While overall market demand is subdued and geopolitical tensions pose risks, Accenture's move to fixed-price work, now 60% of total revenue, offers greater client cost certainty and potential margin improvements, underscoring its resilient financial strategy and compelling long-term buy potential. Next up is Qualcomm Incorporated, ticker QCOM, a California-based digital telecommunications giant designing and manufacturing chipsets and wireless technology solutions across mobile, automotive, IoT, and computing sectors. Qualcomm continues to impress with its diversification strategy beyond smartphones, reporting non-generally accepted accounting principles, revenues of $44 billion in fiscal year 2025, a solid 13% year-over-year growth. Its automotive revenues surged an impressive 36% year-over-year, and IoT revenues grew by 22%, showcasing a successful reduction in its historical dependency on the cyclical handset market. Qualcomm's Snapdragon digital chassis platform is gaining significant traction in the automotive sector, achieving record quarterly revenues exceeding $1 billion in Q4 FY 2025. The company further strengthened its position in the data center market with the early completion of the AlphaWave IP Group acquisition, aiming to create a leading player in AI compute and connectivity solutions. This strategic move, combined with its Snapdragon platforms, positions Qualcomm to capitalize on the massive on-device AI adoption trend across various devices, including AI PCs, with approximately 150 design wins expected through 2026. Entry into data center AI inference solutions with its AI 200 and AI 250 SoCs represents a new multi-billion-dollar opportunity, with revenue expected to accelerate by FY 2027. Analysts remain bullish, with a median price target of $200, suggesting a compelling 14.28% upside potential. Despite potential headwinds from Apple's transition to in-house modems and intense competition, Qualcomm's record free cash flow generation, $12.8 billion in fiscal year 2025, and commitment to shareholder returns highlight its financial strength and make it a powerful, undervalued tech play. Coming in at number 3 is Workday Incorporated, ticker WDAY, a California-based provider of enterprise cloud applications specializing in human resources and financial management. Workday has delivered robust financial performance, with Q3 2025 subscription revenue growing 15% year-over-year to $2.244 billion, and total revenue up 13% to $2.432 billion. What's truly exciting is the significant traction in Workday's AI strategy. AI products contributed an impressive 1.5 percentage points to ARR growth in the latest quarter, with over 75% of new sales and 35% of customer expansions including AI products. Workday's strategic acquisitions, including Paradox, Sana, and Pipedream, are set to significantly enhance its AI capabilities and expand its addressable market. The company projects Q4 subscription revenue to reach $2.355 billion and has raised its FY 2026 subscription revenue guidance to $8.828 billion, reflecting robust future growth. Workday's financial health is excellent, boasting more cash than debt and strong liquidity, supported by a $5 billion share repurchase program through fiscal year 2027. This financial resilience allows for continuous investments in AI innovation while returning substantial value to shareholders. Analysts are highly confident, with a median price target of $280, implying a substantial 27.38% upside potential. While premium valuations and economic uncertainties pose some challenges, Workday's strong gross revenue retention rates of 97%, combined with growing customer headcount, solidifies its position as an attractive, undervalued growth stock in the enterprise software space. Fourth on our list is Adobe Incorporated, ticker ADBE, a California-based technology giant renowned for its creative, marketing, and document management software solutions. Adobe continues to demonstrate solid financial performance, reporting record revenue of $23.77 billion in fiscal year 2025, an 11% year-over-year growth, with non-generally accepted accounting principles (EPS) reaching $20.94. The company commands an impressive market share, exceeding 70% in the creative software market, coupled with robust gross profit margins of 89.14%, reflecting its strong competitive moat. Adobe's aggressive AI strategy is a key differentiator, with substantial investments in its Firefly generative AI platform and other AI-powered offerings. This focus is clearly driving engagement, with generative credit consumption increasing threefold quarter-over-quarter and AI usage within Acrobat and Reader growing over 4 times year-over-year. This AI-first approach is crucial for Adobe to maintain its dominance against emerging AI-powered alternatives. Despite recent stock underperformance, down 22.59% over the past year, and concerns from some analysts regarding growth in the lower-end market, Adobe's management remains focused on growth. The company has set an ambitious 10.2% ARR growth target for FY 2026, aiming for approximately $2.6 billion in total net new ARR, its highest beginning-of-year guide. Analysts largely maintain a positive outlook, with a median price target of $422.50, suggesting a compelling 19.73% upside potential. With strong cash flows exceeding $10 billion in fiscal year 2025 and continued innovation, Adobe remains a powerful, undervalued tech play poised for a strong rebound. Finally, we have Salesforce Incorporated, ticker CRM, a California-based titan in customer relationship management (CRM) technology, dominating the global market with approximately 24% market share. Salesforce is undergoing a strategic pivot toward artificial intelligence, and its Agentforce and Data 360 offerings are showing explosive traction, with combined ARR reaching nearly $1.4 billion, up 114% year-over-year. Agentforce alone saw its ARR surge by an astounding 330% year-over-year to approximately $540 million, clearly demonstrating the immense demand for AI-powered CRM solutions. In Q3 FY 2026, Salesforce delivered stellar results, with revenue of $10.26 billion, up 9% year-over-year, and a robust non-generally accepted accounting principles operating margin of 35.5%. The company has closed over 18,500 Agentforce deals since its introduction, with paid transactions increasing 50% quarter-over-quarter, indicating rapid adoption and monetization of its AI investments. Critical to its future, Salesforce recently completed the Informatica acquisition ahead of schedule, strengthening its data foundation to create a comprehensive $10 billion data business that provides crucial context for AI applications. Despite some slowing revenue growth in core segments, analysts are overwhelmingly positive, with a median price target of $336, implying a significant 26.25% upside potential. Barron's recently highlighted that Salesforce's valuation, at under 6 times expected 2026 sales, appears excessively bearish after a 30% pullback. With current remaining performance obligation at $29.4 billion and total RPO nearing $60 billion, Salesforce has a robust future revenue pipeline, making it an exceptionally undervalued tech play with massive upside potential. Now, let's take a crucial look at the numbers side by side. Starting with current prices, Adobe is the highest at $291.97, followed by Accenture at $268.97, while Workday, Qualcomm, and Salesforce offer more accessible entry points under $220. When it comes to market capitalization, Salesforce leads the pack with a substantial $197.6 billion, closely followed by Accenture and Qualcomm, both comfortably above $160 billion. Workday, at $44.84 billion, presents a mid-cap opportunity, potentially offering greater growth agility. Revenue tells a compelling story of scale and market penetration. Accenture boasts a massive $70.72 billion in annual revenue, with Qualcomm and Salesforce also demonstrating significant revenue streams above $40 billion. Adobe's $23.76 billion and Workday's $9.23 billion, while smaller, represent highly focused and profitable operations. Now, let's talk about profitability, specifically gross margin. Adobe shines here with an incredible 89.3% gross margin, a testament to its dominant software business model. Salesforce and Workday also show exceptional efficiency, with gross margins above 75%. Qualcomm's 55.4% is strong for a semiconductor company, and even Accenture's 32.0% is solid for its services model, indicating healthy operational efficiency. For income-focused investors, Accenture offers a respectable 2.4% dividend yield, and Qualcomm is not far behind at 2.3%. Salesforce also provides a modest 0.7%, while Adobe and Workday prioritize reinvestment into growth, foregoing dividends. Lastly, earnings per share provides insight into their bottom-line strength. Adobe leads with an impressive $16.73 EPS, followed by Accenture at $12.21 and Salesforce at $7.55. These figures underscore the robust profitability of these companies, making their current valuations even more compelling and highlighting why hedge funds are seeing such immense value. So these are 5 undervalued tech stocks that top hedge funds are keenly watching and actively buying. Which of these 5 undervalued tech giants stands out the most for your portfolio, and why? Drop your thoughts, insights, and predictions in the comments section below. And if you're looking for even more undervalued opportunities, don't miss our video right here on 7 best AI stocks that could explode soon.